Hello, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we've got this lovely fried rice, vegetable fried rice with some curry powder and some nice little spices, Indian style. I'm just serving this with a really simple cucumber, tomato, onion and cilantro or coriander salad. Really nice little combination, I think. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get started on the rice here. So I've got some cold cooked basmati rice. There's about 3 or 4 cups there. Now, what you're going to need for this is the onions, the garlic, the curry powder, and the cumin seeds. All the other vegetables you can interchange. You don't have to use these, you can use whatever you want. Let's just have a look what I'm using. So I've got some mushrooms, white cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, and I've got some celery there. And they're really small amounts. I mean, that is like 1 cup. These glass ones are like 1 cup. So you can see these are tiny amounts that I'm using. Fresh green chili, up to you how much you want to put in. I've got like a tablespoon of chopped garlic. You could add ginger to this if you wanted as well. A couple of teaspoons of cumin seeds and like a tablespoon of curry powder. I'll leave the link for that curry powder at the end. It's a homemade curry powder. It's really, really delicious. So try and check that out. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. That's about it. Delicious stuff. So what we've got here is a wok or a pan or something. I've got some oil in there. I'm getting hot. Now I'm using this organic soya oil at the moment. But yeah, use any oil that you want. First, let's drop in those cumin seeds. And just for a few seconds, let them do their thing in that oil. They'll infuse the oil. And as you can see in here, we're on a very high heat, pretty much all the way. Then what we're going to do is we're going to drop in our onion. And then you want to add your hard vegetables. So for me it's carrot, celery, and cauliflower. And like I say, very, very small amounts of each one. High heat, keep it moving, see in about 2 to 3 minutes. Super stuff, just a couple of minutes there. Now I'm going to go in with my white cabbage. My broccoli, going to add some salt. I'm going to get some black pepper in there, and again staying on the high heat. Another 2 to 3 minutes, keep it moving. We want it cooked, but at the same time I like it quite crunchy. Fabulous stuff. Gonna drop in my chopped garlic now. And like I say, if you wanted, you could be putting in some chopped ginger. Bell peppers, just a little bit there. My mushrooms, which I've cut really small. And I'm gonna add my fresh chili to taste. And once again, staying on this very high heat. Another 3 minutes, keep it moving all the time now. This is going to be absolutely wonderful. Fabulous stuff. Let's drop in our curry powder. Like I say, I'll leave a link for that at the end, because this one really is delicious. Nice homemade masala powder. Just a quick mix. Then we're going to go in with our cold cooked rice. I'm just going to change spoons. And we're going to go now for about 4 to 5 minutes. If we get any browning or blackening of the rice, Personally, I'm quite happy. See you in about 5 minutes. High heat. Okay, off goes the heat. That is absolutely beautiful. Now, if you wanted, you could chop some fresh cilantro or coriander in there, which I'm not going to do because we're actually going to make a little salad with coriander now, so I don't want to overdo it. Let me get that on a plate and let's get this little salad together. So there's absolutely nothing to this salad, but I really love it. Tomatoes, cucumbers, cilantro or coriander, onions and lemon juice, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Now you can really play around with the amounts. I like kind of equal parts of the cucumber and the tomato, a little bit of onion, just a little touch of the lemon juice. You could put an olive oil or some oil on if you want. I just like it like that. Mixing bowl, all in, lovely. So as you can see, I've got my tomatoes and cucumber in there. Let's just get that cilantro or coriander in, whatever you call that. Also, a fresh mint works really lovely in this. The onion, little bit of lemon or lime juice, a little bit of salt, black pepper. Now, if you wanted, you could put some chopped chili in this, but we've got chili in the dish that we're serving it with, so I want to kind of use this as a more of a kind of cooling agent, if you know what I mean. That's it. Let me get my spoon and give that a mix. By the way, I keep getting a lot of questions about these spoons. I picked loads of them up in Sri Lanka. They're coconut shells like that. I've got loads of them. They're really cheap. I've got like sort of 30 of them I bought, I think. Right, a little mix. We're done. Okay, and we're done. So we've got that beautiful, spicy, Indian style vegetable rice, that lovely little salad. If you wanted a bit of garlic, a bit of ginger in there, a bit of chili, like I say, but I like to keep that nice and cool to go with that because that's quite spicy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do give us a thumbs up, leave us a message and say hi. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.